Good afternoon. This is Samant Rai from RIA Overseas, Chennai. And today is my second day in Dhaka. And I'm in Shahabuddin Medical College. And it's one of the best college in Bangladesh, Dhaka, heart of the city. And with me, Sir Jindu.
I'm Dr. Khademul Azad. I'm the principal of this medical college.
Okay.
And I've been working here for 18 years.
18 years.
This is in the heart of this Shahabuddin Medical College is in the heart of the city, and it is in the diplomatic zone. So we are having some other privileges besides the having the college in the city, in the capital city. We are also situated in the diplomatic zone. So there is a heightened security in here. So there is no point of feeling unsecure in here. Okay, so this is the advantage of this medical.
See, actually, 12 साल से, dear students, 12 साल से इंडियन बच्चे बांग्लादेश से आ रहे हैं और आगे भी आएंगे. तो बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स मैंने बोला कि सामंत भाई आप ज़रा बांग्लादेश जाओ और घूम के आओ और कि उनका परिस्थिति कैसा है. जब मैंने एयरपोर्ट से आया सब कुछ नॉर्मल लग रहा था, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी सेफ and a very safe place, same as India in Bangladesh, and it's just like a home, I from home. So इसके बारे में आप क्या बोलेंगे? I mean, how they feel secure about it in the current this kind of news media spreads.
Actually, news media, they have their own way of own narratives. It can be national news media of our country or your national news media of any other countries. They have their own narratives. But the truth is that we don't in the field we don't feel that nothing sort of the scenario they are projecting at there. This is a very safe area, nothing, and very cozy for every student. And we don't discriminate between the foreign student and the Bangladeshi students. We don't discriminate. Everybody have the same privileges around here. And sometimes if you see that the food habit of Bangladeshi people and the Indian people are more or less same. Yes. And because if we are in a very privileged area, in this area there are even Indian restaurants, and sometimes we have very sophisticated Indian cuisine like Southern cuisine, even West Bengal cuisine. This sort of Delhi cuisines are there. So there is no problems in regarding the food habits. So usually the Indian students are very comfortable having their life, and there is no restriction whatsoever during our teaching period in Shahabuddin Medical College.
See, जो हमने स्टूडेंट से अभी मिल के आए थे नीचे, because the student is a very teacher friendly campus. Teachers are very friendly to the students, and also there are many Indian students में देखा कि they are also feeling their food and everything is really good actually. Sir, actually NMC का जो guidelines है, the NMC guidelines and all, how it is satisfied even the current situation, because कुछ parents बोल देते हैं कि इसमें लाइसेंस मिलता कि नहीं मिलता और वर्क में मिलता. तो मुझे बातचीत हुआ था other professor से, तो bit just I will be happy to know about you. From you, how it is satisfied the NMC guidelines. It helpful all the parent students.
Okay. So in the Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council is actually looking after the recognition of the medical colleges and all that. We are recognized in the Bangladesh Medical and Council, and also the DG Health and the Health of Bangladesh. So we are and the Dhaka University affiliated institute is there. And in the previous years, what we have seen that in 90% of the students of our college pass the licensing exam within their intended period. So this is a very solid place for studying, because you see whenever there is a digit that we say that the Indian student is the percentage of Indian students studying in the Indian Medical College, the rate of passing in the licensing exam, the students from Bangladesh are getting more chances in or passing exams in the licensing exam there, so they are indirectly included in the medical system of the India. So we have higher chances because our basic science is very strong. So we take very good care of that, and we have parent counseling. And any students who wants to have a direct communication, even with me as a principal, I have a WhatsApp group. Any parents can contact me anytime and share their thoughts about it. Okay, so we are all out in helping all the foreign students to attaining their licensing exam. We will help in that as well.
दिस इज़ फिर आप लोगों को फिर और क्या ज़्यादा क्या हमें चाहिए इवन इट इज़ 4 गाइडलाइंस है देयर इन NMC दैट इज़ द प्योर इंग्लिश मीडियम इंग्लिश taught program. Number 2 is internships available should be there. Number 3 is like licensing and also practicing. So all the 4 things are जो satisfy हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे. And secondly like the licensing program is so that people को दोनों का फायदा मिलेगा. Even license of what is in also in Bangladesh and also in India once you go back. So this is what the very valuable point from sir to tell about it. That sir, how the education is it like the in syllabuses or how? I mean India का जो syllabus रहता है वो थोड़ा same follow करते हैं कैसा रहता है?
That's what I'm talking about. The syllabuses that India follows, we follow the same syllabus more or less, and even it's seen that the exam, the Indian syllabus is sometimes lacking in some places where they cannot pass the entrance exam. But after educating yourself in this Bangladeshi curriculum, the students are more prepared for the entrance exam. That's what it is. If you see the previous records of the previous years, 5 years, you'll see that Bangladeshi students pass the exams more easily and more than the Indian exam. So our curriculum is more accustomed to handle the licensing exam than the Indian students.
Yeah, because it's almost perfect. Because if you Google the internet, that like the passing percentage of FMGE graduates, the maximum from Bangladesh and Nepal, all two things, but not other Europe and other, because they follow the complete guidelines and also syllabus of the Indian curriculum on that. Sir, how is it? I mean, like the social cultures and all. I mean, Indian students of 5-6 साल से इंडिया में रहेंगे, इंडिया से बाहर रहेंगे. So any kind of Holi, Diwali or Eid, how they celebrate local is as a fun of that.
Officially, Bangladesh is a very secular country yet. Okay, so we allow or take part in every religious festivals as well as our cultural festival as well. We have our own Naboborsho, we say, and the New Year, or Bangla New Year. So that's the different. We have this holiday on that day, and we have all the festival holidays as well. So usually the Sanatan Dharma that Sanatan Dharmas festival in West Bengal, they used to have the Durga Puja. The main Durga Puja is the main. So because Bangladesh is more Durga Puja is happening out there. So in Durga Puja we have 2 days of holidays, official holidays, and if some students wants holidays for their individual religious belief and all that, we all encourages on that as well. And there is no inhibition in celebrating any culture in here.
It is so nice and gratitude to you, sir, because it's such a valuable point, and Indian को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, because ये तो सक्सेस ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड था, अभी रहेगा, लेकिन जो लास्ट 3-5-6 महीने जो इश्यूज जो लग रहे थे सोशल द मीडिया में, आपको बातों को थोड़ा अच्छा लगा, because the real from the ground, I'm just reporting from the ground reality that is all safe and you can come and study in any, at least in Shahabuddin Medical College. तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Something?
Yes, please, sir.
Now today, you have seen all the newses and all that, but as of today, now there are 15 10 students. They are taking part in the exam. So no educational activities are in hall. No classes are being suspended. Everything is going on. Tomorrow is our prof exam. Professional exam means there are 4 professional exams in a medical curriculum, undergraduate curriculum. One of the prof exam, this is a university exam, and tomorrow is the OSPE. The OSPE and OSCE is there. So this Viva exam will be tomorrow, and these final prof exams will be tomorrow. And all the first year and the final year foreign students, Indian students as well as the Nepalese and other students are also taking part in these classes. So the news that have been out are actually is not actually affecting our ground level education at all. And we are in a full swing. There is not a single minute that's being dropped for any sort of activities. No political activities hampers our medical college.
One more valuable point. This particular location of Shahabuddin Medical College is a diplomatical zone of Dhaka, high secure zone.
Yeah.
And if you choose this college, for to study in Bangladesh, it's the most safest place. And I should conclude this because I have a busy schedule. I should thank to Principal Sir for this valuable input. And this particular video will help those parents and students who want to study in next academic year to coming to Bangladesh, Dhaka in Shahabuddin Medical College. Thank you very much, sir, for your time. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.